Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. So today hubby and I will be going to check out the framing of the house. So we're going to be going in to see the inside of the house, just to see the roughin and to see what it looks like. So for those of you that might not know, we are building a new construction home. So we're building everything from scratch, choosing the designs, the colors, the layout, stuff like that. So today, as I said, we will be going just to see the framing or the roughing of the house, and to see what it looks like, to see the dimensions, and to see I guess if you want to do any changes, or ask them to put in anything that might be of significant importance to you. So I am pretty excited. So I will try to video that for you guys if I can. So hopefully the site manager will allow me to do a little bit of videoing, at least, just to let you guys see what the inside looks like before it's finished, and also for you guys to stay tuned for the finished house tour. So once it's done building, then I will take you guys back in again as well to see what it looks like. So stay tuned, you guys, for that video. And as I said, I am so excited, in case you couldn't tell. Thank you guys for watching, and I will try to get that video done for you guys. Anywho, have a great day. Bye. Yeah, so we just finished at the meeting with the site manager. So now we are going to be heading to the home just to see the roughing, so which is the framing, and I'll try to video some of that for you guys. So it was an hour-long meeting, just explaining to us the next step in the process, and when we'll be meeting again to do the cabinet walkthroughs and stuff like that. So I am heading over to the home just to see what it looks like now. So stay tuned. Catch you guys in the next clip.